Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Robinhood app crashes the second you open it, freezes on a green loading screen, or just won't launch at all, especially when the market is open and you need to check your stocks, here's the fix from your iPhone. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close the Robinhood app completely from your recent app. Now, press and hold the Robinhood icon on your home screen, then tap Remove App, then tap Delete App. Next, open the App Store and then search for Robinhood app and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. Corrupted app files from a failed update are the most common cause of Robinhood crashes on launch. A clean reinstall clears all of that instantly. After reinstalling, if it still crashes, go to your Settings app, go to your General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure no VPN is active. Robinhood blocks VPN connections for compliance and security reasons and crashes immediately when it detects ones. Also, in the settings itself, go to General, then go to Software Update. Robinhood regularly stops supporting older iOS versions, so make sure your iOS is updated. So, all you've got to do is delete the Robinhood app, reinstall from App Store, turn off any VPN in settings, update iOS, the app will open. Subscribe for more Robinhood fixes every day.